Hey guys, I just want to come back and give a quick update on the golf cart batteries. You remember I put these lithium-ion batteries in here from bigbatteries.com, and I just wanted to show you they're still holding up great. It's been, I don't know, a whole bunch of months. I don't remember how many months, but check it out. The two batteries, I mean, obviously dirty, but still working great. We got the charger there, the two batteries. I put this plug here where you just take the extension cord and just shove it in there upside down. Boom. It goes to there, charges the batteries up. I have this. So this has been sitting for like 3 or 4 days, and we're at 82% still. So I'm not even. I used to charge the other batteries every time. Every time I park it, I would charge them. So now these, I don't charge them all the time. You know, maybe if it gets down to like 70 something percent, I'll go ahead and plug it in and let it charge. But it lasts a lot longer. It's faster. I'm really impressed. I really like it. I just want to remind you guys of I have the coupon code KG's Garage 10. That will give you 10% off. I'll put the link in the description down below. If you want to go to bigbattery.com, it's my referral link. I'll get a little kickback. You can help me support the channel here. And you can get yourself a kit like this, or you can get accessories. I mean, they have all kinds of stuff. They have bigger kits, smaller kits, inverters, whatever you want to do to your golf cart. And I think they even have solar panels and stuff like that. So you can use that code on anything you buy on their website. So go ahead and go check it out. Go check out bigbatteries.com. And if you buy something, please use my code and get 10% off, and use my link, and I'll get a little bit back too. Thank you very much. You'll see me later. Bye.